anymore me chia baby a wo bia obaso a no ma se wala ne so o chia me anam so ma chia ofefefe tokwa bia ni acha se mamu so wala ne so big ups to you Stella bibia boko mama Dinah Stobite Iva dubu ahin mechia mu nyina nwumre na najua ubri aboa Kojo apia asante kojo mi hu yo ho ye na ja ohia na ekumi na nso mefa ne sa ekom Mr. Victor, salute you wherever you are. God bless you too. Ebenezer Dunya agomeda usa agomenya. So won agomenya na so menya. Obi ahoye. Augustina kwa sister me ba cho bibi aboko. Augustina no. Augustina bia minimu no ye good pa o. Okay. Na J senior. Bibi aboko de. Agomenya, yeah, agomenya for there. Augustina kwa. Augustina me ma usikadura ope. Mouse kadro metimi am wafa bibi wo form and now again the on pet some the Holy Ghost na okay Augustina also pet metimi am wafa bibi timi am watam me metimi ajiwo bibi afri nsem the achow. I don't care whoever that it belongs to. Okay. Jewado Ebenezer Hinitachi Abigail Abe Champion Sante Mamia Pia Beauty Kelvins Kodrama Nkwa Echia wunyina nyumre D4 OPATAFUOR Kwajo says, Papa, we are ready for miracle. Are you sure? Miracle in Amikoyibia, almost ya kwando free nyame. Christopher. Mechiamo, today happens to be our last telecast. We are in the month of August 2025. Today happens to be on the 1st. It's exactly 50 minutes past the hour 8 o'clock p.m. Greenwich Meridian. Michia Ubia Margaret Owusu Setre Endo na bibia boko. Na me meti amu afa bibi wofo. Mo dede no mo ye. Good evening to you, my sweetest mom, Elizabeth Odro. How you doing? Next year, your birthday will be celebrated in Ghana at my residence. So keep that in mind. Afisa say, "U birthday ni bi dino, mi fie ho ni bi dino." Enti Auntie Elizabeth fashion trim. Kwajo apia asante. Kwajo sika hu hia o. The way amasi hu wi ase no. Oye bema na uni sika. Enye kra. Enye Dr. Udru. For sure, you are invited. And I said, oh, now you be champion head. Elizabeth Oko abruchire ukunu suwa no osu se ko wa hanom a ko ye gaga nyina obwa enra obebob na gu me so ati se wa Yesu jani odakora ontimi na ena awo no so asa ba eriti Jennifer ni makon shy sika hu won fasuo my brother eti kodro de Auntie Elizabeth one friend na wanka adokodoko se bi ankyere na obeba na che wawu okay mechia mu nyina Patrick ahen so for paying adakwa mechia wo chairman. How is ministry? Kodro Obua. Dr. Odro says money answers all. Obua. Adia or baby to me, and it's can't be that. Oh my goodness. Flora J, good evening. How you doing? Kasiam, how you doing? Agana Bogri. Mumin, is that how your name is pronounced? Aganabogri. Did I get it correct? What is the origin of that name? Is it which tribe do you belong to? I love it. Aganabogri. Is it? Tell me. Money is very important. How many people need money very urgent? How many people need cash, very urgent cash? You need cash. You can say, Papa, you need cash. You need cash. You see, I got somebody I must say in a Holy Ghost now. Holy Ghost now. If you understand what I'm saying. Some of you people, you said Holy Ghost now. Lydia Odro. Some of you people will say, oh. Michael Champong, Pastor Adakwa is in UK, Great Britain. He's not in Germany. Yes. You need cash. Euros, pounds, dollars. You need gold. If you are in the mining sector, you need gold, real gold. If you live in any of the European countries, you need euro. Where did my bag? I'm coming. Okay, you need euros. What I said, you need euros. Me baby esene me obehwehwe me na no wahume na Mr. Osen obeto ena ode eja data bundle bi ma eja say eja say mfama me ohia euros aja say euros bisa we for 1,000 euro for data bundle me chere wade bi me pesa me chere wade bi ode ma me kra mente so me chai dey ato me office table so sa na enye sika no hia me sika no there is just a data bundle na oka asem bi e de chere just say enu na eye me de ɔsɛ papa makɔtena Europe tie ni you na asɛm na ɔkaeɛ no deɛ memeteɛ na meka kyerɛ no ɔsɛ mepɛ sɛ meba Ghana but menim how a mɛyɛ a menya sika ɛnso ɔsɛ ɔpatafoɔ me dɔ tie ni you ɔsɛ ɔpatafoɔ me dɔ me yadaw I know say utimi ye bibia bi enhwe me ma me nka akwantu me hia sika we enye young girl bi o ma me pan mu a wanyini ye ma me pan mu a wanyini onya akwada o this kind ma me kura me nye ne hwe 50 euro 1,000 euros or the sharing same crowd, me nye hwe we na hono mo on the wakana say we na we also part of for me I really love it. It's a genuine love, not dear fake ni be imagine my love fake one ni bia and intimi so part of for minim osisika ho won faso so oti hono mo within shortest period of time now when you call from abrofo no say do you need money? It is sometimes God works in a mysterious way. Even when she was saying it, I was like, hey, how? Enyo omu die ni bia o. It is genuine love. Say kutu, say bam. What I say? How come? Oti ho say uyeska all of a sudden afro do you need money? Just the name keke. Do you need money? We enye fake enye stage testimony. No. Ono kra wase what is so many years na frame ya onyame da. Hey brother. I say me the so many years and I'm the afro. Me nyawda. Okay. So Josephine Boateng, he says, my love is also genuine. Josephine, are you sure? Josephine, and I know Mama many are yet there. Thank you, Biji Koyo. D4 Patafor. Mumuni says, that is true. I also call like 5 years and I can't get you. Josephine, me boa, odia ahaya abontin. Ope say, ye see entoma gu abontin a ode yen kan ne abontin obi anti. Na no nyamani na ye dia nko bi anye amfiri mi nsem. Enti odo ne de atimani so. Okay. As usual, back to our normal thing. Money is very important. As a man, you need money. Oye bema unyeska. And inti de biaya mo amudi mechino e mema ne ma. Mempese obia ni mbegu ase. Obi wo ho no mu a uni sika atantade a obete no enye easy. It is sika de ehuhia. Ena se wona na okoto se sika nsuo ene ya hyesi wona ya adware bi. job, Asante. Thank you very much. TNU say one now. Na okoto say ya hye sika nsuo esi hɔ a ɛyɛ adware bi. Ɛyɛ adware bi. Na anye bia no. Se sika nsuo ɛwɔ ho a utimi kɔ baabi a so wate ase. Ɛno nti minya me dwuma na ameyɛ. Ustadi odifo opatafo a de bia be ka asɛm bi de kyerɛw. Me say nyame dwuma na ameyɛ no. Minyina so ɛyɛ mienu pɛ. Minyina so baako ne sɛ me di nyame som pa sɛbe adwene ni nyansa wom ɛbɛma nipa. Enti sɛ me wu nnɛ na me firi asase su kra na matimi di nyame som pa adwene ni nyansa wom. At least enkyerɛkyerɛ a ma kyerɛkyerɛ ɛde agu wiase no. Sɛ onipa ɛka se wɔ fa na ɔde abɔ bra ebi si ni yie. What I say? Sanity. The tosu biem eye abrabom ahoto. Genio. The tosu biem abrabom ahoto. Na Abraham nante asasi weso. Mi hu se ade etimi ma onipa nya ahoto paa wa asase weso eye sika. Enu nti na abrofo no ehunahuna ayen etwerotwero no wo enkratam ewo mu abo sisikani bi apia bonte no aka kyerɛ wo sɛ sika de asu ni mfaso sɛ oya abrante na ye wo sɛ sika tieni o sika ema anigi a money does not give you happiness. Sa ensem ni nyina no eye negative words. Omo try say omo de beto wa adwenim na wantimi anya sika. Onipa bia wantimi anya sika wa abrabom bia no mfa nhyɛ ni tirim sɛ onya fa ahodie da wa abrabo wem obetena enkoaso mu atete yaw esum areho enguase entwato so saa nneɛma we nyina enum na abefa. Etimi hu sɛ wɔn a ɛkɔ aduro so wɔn a wɔgya awurade hɔ wɔn a wɔn dɔ ano adwo ɛwɔ nyamesu mu nyinaa no ɛyɛ ahokyerɛ o ɛyɛ ahokyerɛ ɛna ama obi dɔ a ɔwɔ ma Kristo ano adwo. Enti menam a me kɔ ni nyinaa no sɛ mehyia ogidi ni bi a ɔbɔ ne bra sɛ deɛ sɛ fata ɛwɔ awurade mu a medi nyamesom pa ɛma no a na medi sika no nso ataato. Tieni o obi a wadi machi for so many years bɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɔpatafoɔ deɛ ɔmfa abrabɔ ɛne sika ɛne ewiase asetena pa ɛnni agorɔ adentia. Sika is very important. Sika is very important. Mene wo kasai obi dayare mpaso obi na ware egu ekom di obi anka onya just €1,000 yi kuraya enka ne story ne besesa. Enutinu ya na meka kire nipa sɛ yebetimi di Kristo ama. Nanso Kristo kura nim sɛ obie no pa obetimi adi awurade akyi akɔ awieye abra woni sika efiri sɛ Kristo nyina so asafo ni nyina so enyina gina Peter so wo a woti hoi Yesu nhu ne da tieni o ye na ye wo sa dispensation yi anase generations yi a ye wo mi obi enu wa hu Kristo da apart from omo a nyame nwosra wo omo so omo timahia Kristo ewo anisuade hunu mu spiritually apart from omo minu mienu ya meto no wasase we so nemom Peter ani asuafo ne de omo ne nanante ye nanso eduru mrebi ni Peter odwanegya eye Kristo ho adentia according to the book of John chapter 21 enam ohia ne ahokyere nti Bible say na ekom di asuafo no omunya aduane ni tieni o Bible say na ekom di asuafo no omunya aduane ni nti emomu jawrade ho say omu nsum nyame biem nti say okoto young guy bi na ose won sum awrade biem a don't blame him okoto young girl bi na ose onko asori biem a don't blame her adentia if you say niam bebre na run through na adwene obi wo ha ahokyere na ekunu ahokyere ma na adwene ye bebrebe ahokyere ma oni anigye wa abraboni obi wo ha abrabo we no onidi emeda mehu oba tan bi a efi se mehu no onidi meda what you say because ediane na obeye no or the seven in many we are na ono ankasa no asem propro wa bi ni wadi adentia because o kaso odi aduane ni bi a ocha enso ne maso te said the obekoda sebe ye maame no mu a omuti ekuro nkituam omutimi hunu dokono omutimi hunu ayi gari omutimi hunu bibi na omasesa de ama omoma no na omo atafre atre ne so adentia because okaso odi gari ni bi okaso odi kenke ni bi a enso abusua no saa na tie in my lifestyle I have seen how we are city minia mentao da Kojapia, God bless you. Mentao di ntia asofo epese omu demonize me no niema ohun ni say aseme menye papa no eye say mikura enkyerɛkyerɛ ene abrabom secret a se udiso a obɛde wo ho afiri ohia ne mpɔkyerɛ mu so nti abrabono sister you can't survive. I'm telling you the truth. Me waza na me kan kire wo say we eye adigingyan ena mfaso bi eni so. I'm telling you, if you want to experience real love, you must get money. Share aya na matete say enkwala bi enkwala asofuo bi matise nkwala asofuo bi a omunim abrabo etimi ka say odokan yemfasika na edi na mitimi hwe omudi na masere adentia because unim wiase unim reality o ye ka say reality a unim reality or say for God so loved the world. That is why he gave. For God so loved the world. That is why he gave. Listen to me carefully. For God so loved the world. That is why he gave. So I sat down to realize that love goes with sacrificial. Love goes with giving. Tienye odo ene ema nenam, because me odifu OPATAFUOR TV, Papa, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Okasa I love you, I na we when din. What are you loving me with? What exactly are you loving me with? If you understand the realities. And I realize, you can never give anything to a woman for her to become happy. Obi mitimitie emabi mo say nyesika so boa wona nkasa wonim dia ope wa abrabom enti wo ye bema misro sika hunya misro sika de ehu won fasodie bebrebe sika hu won fasodie de bebrebe sika hu won fasodie bebrebe uwo sika osia pro osen pro you ubenya the freshest lady in town aware no uwo sika osia pro osen pro you ubenya oba oye fresh oye talk of the town aware no uwo sika opa me nware opa me nware se uwo sika oba ben wa wonte pampan or smell cash. And to what you say, umotu umubon, you're dead because you have cash or barbenwa on tepampa. That is it. You see, sometimes get this. If you don't get these things in life at your fingertips, obe bro. And now kasa meboa. Unisika now you can say sika now hunyefe kra. Wasi hu a ohun se angel Gabriel ohun nye fe oye bema ohun nye fe kra uwo sika wasi hu a tieni o wasi ehu a ohun se angel Gabriel. You see the realities of life. Aye obi say sika de nyankopon onfa sika nyahwe wan na kachiro say nyankopon onfa sika nyahwe wan na kachiro tieniye wan na kachiro oh my goodness. Enti minia sika de eye pa sika de eye sika de eye se uwo sika oba ekunu ho ama okra na onwene ho da tienio se uni sika na okachira wo yire se o hwiri gata na oyiri gina ho no hwe mienu so ati say uni sika na ose we yire o hwiri gata na o hwe mienu because gata no say say ni na bua de na ade beso please. God creates, money maintains. Tenio. God creates, money maintains. Until you get certain level of money, you will never get to realize that cheating is never a problem to a woman. Let's put the unction upon my life, let's put it aside and let me talk to you as a mere man. Until you get certain level of money, you will never realize that cheating is not a problem to your wife. So you will so unya sikadrum pempensuo bia. Huh? Ubehunu say my family rechi uyiri hu a enye problem ma no. Because me yire ache me say me ne girl bi na hye ho. Me be pache wa me buy na Lexus 2025 model LS either 700 each, and I said LS 600. Now me dia besi your honey. I'm sorry. Me yire na beka kire me next time obibusa say, so honey, when are you cheating? It's been a long time since you cheated. Because who cheated ba could be a Lexus beba. Into yire na be bo nka ye say Miura na nsem so far machiacho and now onkai because ofana chibia o the Lexus and a pacho. Huh? Intina esikafuo yire no omaka omanu atum. Tenio esikafuo yire aka omanu atum adintia because sikana na yire ni kunu wono ontimi ni entini kunu chiti a emfa no ho minim emma omo ankasa ekoto condom e de ma omu kunu say baby a ukono stay safe. I know them. Enti your realities be or how you will never experience it in your life till the day you die. Huh? There are certain realities in life you will never experience it till the day you die because you don't have it. There are certain realities in life you will never experience it till the day you die because you don't have it. Once you get it, you experience it. So please, if you want your Christian life to become successful, pray always for God to give you the grace of money. So open say nyame som na wo som no eye comfortable e de mawa ya bompa ye de bia say urade mawo enwosra eni tumi a eye sika tumi. Now if we read Revelation chapter 21 verse number 19 coming, ubehunu se wo say na Corona bontin ye sika nko a sika krono na bontin ye sika nko a. Bra uwe sika ufie kraman krabu na uni sika na upie na oba o kraman timi gina baby no amu na hodin. Wow, Kramano, I just say, hey, Mia, peace, Mia, go dear brother cow. Because Damre, Ubiama or Kramane Dianedi, and worry Seguna soon say Uraba Cano. My brother, I don't think me metnasia me dia hye me tirim say me mpese obi bedi machi wa abrabom na ebedru mri na ma messing the life up. Me person obi be di machi ewo abrabom na ma messing the life up. Nemo me person obi di machi na me man instructions. Say me OPATAFUOR as a leader and a champion, the superintendent of Zenith of Heaven, udi machi. So also when benam there, instruction ni see, instructions ni see, instructions ni see. Na utie na sopamu a wone wasefo mundi nyada. Uni nyada because adie bia ye de bua nipa ema esi nipa yie bia no me that type. Me nye obi a me selfish da. Me OPATAFUOR me nye obi a me selfish. Me nye obi a me selfish. Me nye that type. Me pese de bia no ma sori ba nye yi na ensi ni yi. Tieni me pese de bia ensi ma sori ba yi na onye nshira wa brabom. Me medjuma no enu ntina me timi tam obi a ni fie onye yeda. Na ma bosi kansu e de adware no. Na ma ka kire nse onko abrabo na obo ne besi ni yi ampa endi na anu ni nansa na asi ni yi. Me ma adwene wo mitiri mu no. Nyankopon honhom endi nipa abro, embo nipa abro. Enti so obi bo abro. Na o se o ye osofo a Nyankopon honhom enya saada. Nyankopon honhom enya saada. Adentia. Aun say enano na me kan sembi kire mo. Me say asasi we so. E wo say abribia no. Udi leader utimi hunu echinemu asem echi said de ebeya de bia no enam de enam kwan so banti obebo kokko na watimi aboaboa ho sasem we mu a mo be me no maka several times me say e wo se onipa bia udi leader onye dadafo ye wo leader bi wo ha wo ye dadafo or the tetchrema edada nipa adwene on kan kora nkyire nipa o mani ye wo leaders ni bi wo ha wudi o machi obebre wo wiase obemu abre sana leaders ni bitie Kristo Yesu de no wonte sa eninti na Bible say na Judafo no Farisifo no di Judafo no agu nkoaso mu Farisifo no omo di Judafo no agu enkoaso mu tienio na Farisifo no di Judafo no agu nkoaso mu nti Yesu baaye no ohunu se na wotete o se ma me yim mfiri nkoaso mu nimu enu nti no ka kire o mo se munnim honhom kora ewo me so if you say onipa ba na ama se obekum no asai onipa ba ne ba se de achie nyina obetene no obepaifa ahodie no de ogie ene sere ahye nipa manfunu mu ma saa na netie saa na netie tinano na me kan se mbi kire mo se si se no eye Chronos you a Chronos money and a control reaction ti obi bebi say Chronos de ya ye ka say chronos time ahonhom a ɛyɛ adwuma awieye mmere mu nyinaa no obiara the time ɛna ɛyɛ adwuma. And we are dealing with chronos and money. Now no na me ka say me kyerɛ me ka kyerɛ me say ira August mu a saa month August yi ɛna ahonhom no yɛ operation. Na obi a onim Bible bia no tie asɛm a me ka kyerɛ oyiye obi a onim Bible bia no be ka kyerɛ o say si say Ghana weather no ayɛ te sɛ abrokyire weather na nkɔfoɔ bebree nim sɛ ɛyɛ atmospheric condition anasɛ weather conditions no na asesa. Nanso so madi nka kyerɛkyerɛ mu akyerɛ wo sɛ saa weather wei na ɛreba no saa August wei no ɛno na Jacob tumfoɔ ka kyerɛ me sɛ memra na memehwɛ adeɛ wɔ August no mu na after August no die besi enti ɛhɔ na mehu sɛ weather na yɛ nyunyunyunu na afei entutu mɛbɛ efiri weather ni mu yabɔ entutu mɛbɛ efiri ɛpoano ɔmo firi poano which means ɔmo firi ɛponim ɛna ɔmo scatter ɛwɔ the whole Ghana. Enti mo sɛ entutu mɛbɛ no esisi nkrɔfoɔ afuo so entutu mɛbɛ no esisi nkrɔfoɔ fie ɛna aduane a ɔmo we afudie so ɔmo we enti enam sɛ weather no so ayɛ very chilly ninti no na ɛmoa no operations a na ɔmo yɛ no spiritually na nkrɔfoɔ ani na hɔ enti abra August ni twa mu wie no afei na mehu sɛ nkrɔfoɔ bebree ani ada hɔ enti wei na ɔse ɔbɛkɔ na afuo mu ɔbɛkɔ na ntutu mɛbɛ awe na aduane sɛ wei na bɛwura ne kitchen sɛ ɔkɔfa aduane a ɔbɛduro na ntutu mɛbɛ na awe enti mehu sɛ ahokyerɛ hijack the whole Ghana na mehwɛ ya akɔhu sɛ ɛkɔya akɔduru 13 months 1 year 1 month afei mehu sɛ Ghana baby a ye sika ahokyerɛ nipa ahokyerɛ na ama na ɔmo ntimi ɛno nti mehwɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ enyuma ankora ɔmo yɛ galamsey ɔmo yɛ kuadwuma ɔmo yɛ petty traders ɔmo yɛ businessmen ɔmo yɛ government officials mehwɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ dede na ɔma no ɛburuja ɛde gu sitting president ne so na president ne hu baabi a ɔnsɔ saa deɛ na no enti ahokyerɛ a ɛboro ahokyerɛ so a ehu ɛkyɛ ahokyerɛ nyinaa ɛna ɛba ɛno nti August wei akyi ɛnya ahokyerɛ ketewa tieni yo August n'akyi no ɛnya ahokyerɛ ketewa okenkan Bible a wobɛhu sɛ abra weather na ɛwɔ Israel ɛhyɛ aseɛ yɛ Chile no ɔmo hyɛ aseɛ sɛ after sɛ weather ni twa mu no Israel for no hyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɔmo sere adi ɛne na ma Jacob tumfoɔ ɛde quails ɛne manna ɛbrɛ Israel for no nti wote quails na ase a ɛyɛ saa ase kyerɛ no ɛno nti ahokyerɛ a ɛba Ghana no ɛnya ahokyerɛ ketewa ɛyɛ ntutu mmɛbɛ wei ɛnyɛ mfɔteɛ tie nie ma yesunsu nyuma ache minim ahohoma ye adwuma we ye ntutu mebe na ejana ebeto Ghana mampanyini tirimu no ontimi nyina no sa ejana bisu na beba Nigeria but menti Nigeria enti nka Nigeria asem me ka Ghana asem enim tina me busa Jacob tumfo se enti dia na menye na o ka kire me se so obi ti o man ni mu na se o fi se open na asem de ya mane nkopa ahwehwede na mane mfa we nka ho na omunye na mi ewurade meji wo mo enti na me ye se kwada kope eye glass cap no na nye bibia ifiri se sa weather we etwam a se on se okotena enemu a moton ade ewodwom okotena ho a ubehu a na ade asa na wasori abafie enye nipa bia na eba eho sa weather we no principality na on na hwe eye entutu mebe ne so no sa entutu mebe no or the weather no edada enti wadwene ema ho so what you say enti ade san ni nyina na dada na tumi no ese wo nioma na tumi no ese wo nioma enunti on the 1st of September ekwa akosi 2026 sa 31st of October pressure any tension e Ghana after say asemu American market wo on the 1st of September say omo gusu omo ye operations and then na tumi no epie anadwo enti anadwo me nae me ye operations sa me na my operations sa ama ade ache enunti se nyame ya adom na omo ye operations ni nyina awie wo August we mu a ewura September mu a eja dem wo Ghana ubia be sha ase se wo su emu be yedi na untimi ye hu yi wo ye hu hwia enye yi wo ye hu hwia enye yi because of one or two reasons indeed and you're dangerous me and son ebe to Ghana mintimi nka because o kokanu ombe ye say o ye this o ye that ya na minim die mu no minim say onyankopon da na di anka meka nanka empayinfo na to ho anamo nanso so aban ba ko otwa mu no meka ya wantie eduru mre bi kura no mo se me pe favor e wo president wo me hia favor free obi a ho to me ni kura me no tuni ade nyina ye ena mani mnere ade edi $1 kura de kura me am all right enye aduane papa bia na I'm sorry amidi me ndidi soche ena me ndidi peche insuo kura ameno. That is how I am. Eti mini abema wadaroma boaboa husie na die eba no a chain another time tieni boaboa husie die ntia ya na mitumufo no enye bibia because intensive spiritual operations koso ewo August we mu. Intensive spiritual operations koso ewo August we mu. Until by the ending of August, no my operations ni nyina wie. The 1st September, omo ya capture omo no. Tienio spiritual operations be koso spiritually ba munya hu. Adi omo eweni no. Until 1st September, no matiesi. Ebeka mo say, ebeka teachers, ebeka medical doctors, ebeka ubia organa. Enunti na me pese. I feel like we are not OPATAFUOR nkwandia. Me timi aboa no me you free. What you say? Now no last year 2023 and 2024 sena me kan asem bi say omo ko Canada omo ko Canada no o sika bi kra how fa pay business bi because okay yeah mama, let me forget it, you know. Back to what I was saying. Into what aroma, Mr. Ro, me nyesa me pe osika bi edi da bi da. Nemum ayana are ho say yesi ye agidifo na so enema bi koso abrabo mu a na ya ye enhwe ha na atunipa eno na ya na me mpene sa nti obi onim OPATAFUOR bi anim say me mpe basa. Yeah, I live under strict rules nti obey me a me de emra ene ye adwuma nti mesra mo Ghana for mo amu di wani behu bi enra ade be chin le ene right send na ye 1st August no e bo anajo 12 ena omo bie intutu mebe ne ma omo bae nti nipa omo ayire omo ene nko ano ni omo chiri pa bebre spiritually omo chiri pa bebre. So get yourself prepared. Why? Get yourself prepared. Or question be a bit aba. Nama answer. You will never understand how the world works. We are someone to ask you. I will say, more America, Germany, you know, I will say, see, imuayet. What you say? I will say, see, imuayet. And you may be because Emrian so I'm a catch them. You say, my giant commission, tia. But maybe I want you to hear me. I want you to be a member because I want you to be a Benny Password and my own street. Wow, quite chia already. Samuel Abuaji says, Papa, it's true. In my workplace, they are laying off workers. Wow. Linda, he says, please, Papa, what does it mean to see toilet in your dream? When you keep on seeing toilet in your dream, it means that somebody is very close to you who is tarnishing your image, who is saying things that are highly untruthful about you. Se uhu oso da ede bia na uhu toilet ya. Obi benwa ogu anim ase o se udin. O se udin. Se me catch them say Canada for abra me catch them say Canada for the omo be experience ahokyere na Canada for ahokyere no 9 good years. Madin kan kasa se we say obi owo Canada bia no on fan hye trim say adwuma be very difficult. Na eho be din pa because Canada spiritually and because was underground. Enunti omo ahokyere ni amanie mu 9 good years. Starting 2022, 2023, 2024, and the Diabura 2025. Inti aka eho. What you say? Inti Canada for be 4-5 years. 4-5 years. Canada for 4-5 years. Imu be ding until say. Sa sanction na omo de to oboso no e be free oboso. All say mahuna me catch them say eye Nigeria so omo de omo din kan agi omo ntutu mebe. All say Nigeria for me catch them 2022 say Nigeria for ntutu mebe me won say ntutu mebe apie free eponase aba ekuro no mo hwe nkrofo ne o ma ese no e ma mi be ye video tini mi ba be ye video e ma me kasa fa ho se o ma hwe ya because of Tinubu me kasa sa dentina o mo to aba elect Tinubu on se me kasa asem no na omonti ase me ka kire omo se saa entutu mebe na omo ba Nigeria entutu mebe no be bo Nigeria man no apansam tienie me ka kire o se Nigeria entutu mebe na aba Nigeria ombe bo Nigeria man no ombe bo ni to enu the year 2027 no ombe bo Nigeria man no to na entutu mebe na omo ba Nigeria ne de ehu ni se before so omo be free Nigeria no ombe fa moja pa ombe fa moja kese obi odi machi bia na me ka asem a na ma twera to sa na me life te enunti na Nigeria man no sa tamana Buhari e woso na no obu o man no na omo si emu odin enti be ka kire Nigeria say Buhari time no de eye nipa e na manipulate omo system no nemom after say Buhari be free so a because me calculate omo spiritual punishment no tienie me calculate omo spiritual punishment no na ebe take effect right from a different tenor of a different government. Enti me ka say Tinubu na wa ba ne de Nigeria be ye pasa ma be ye ding extremely enipa be shoot se moja enti eno ana ekoso no enti Nigeria no mo amwo Nigeria na mo namfofo wo Nigeria ubusa wo mo meka kiro afi na yen Ghana fo susu ye ntutu mebe no so aduru ho Into August we and omode yesa operations no. Into ombeye 1st September no ma chance ye. Ebe yiri say. Into saa tia. Ebedrum pempenso a okọ bank se okọ pebosia kra unya bi. Ebedrum pempenso a more businesses will be collapsed. Ebedrum pempenso a more businesses will be collapsed. What you say? Sanity. And the oya no prepare yourself. What kind of create nipa into this time around? I have decided to stay out of trouble. I decided 80 yen into 2 mebeno afraid no maduru ho. Pressure be ba Ghana no. Because of a common near opportunity. A woody sem be escalate out of hands. A woody sem, a case a woody sem. So we are winning a woody sem. We are cooking we are a same. A be escalate, a be get it out of hands because of into 2 meben. On say into 2 meben no moja kakra. Omunya papa ombenu moja kakra. Into after that no. And I saw in your attention in Ghana. Enti Oko Church of Pentecost, Oko Assemblies of God, Oko CAC, Oko Presby Methodist, Asoribia Okobia Wadaroma, Mentown, Batiana Wamwania down. Yano Wamwania down. Linda said, Papa, please, is it going to be like 1981? Which country are you talking about? Which country? Are you talking about Ghana or Nigeria? To Nigeria, dear. Well, omodi nkan serve omo punishment dada. Enunti omungus no omo serve na emum Ghana afraid na modi na duru ho. Ana maka kire am say this year na dragon no eruli. Tenio this year na dragon no eruli. Somebody nkan ka kire am dada. Say dragon no so se dragon no so eruli wo wiase a emfa sundwie mba. Kwadrapi Asante says, is it going to be like 1983? The ebane they say 1983 because 1983 no na ejashishie. What you say? Na we dey ejashishie bia amma ba bia o na ejawe no be hyewa nkasa say ejashishie ne de ehye enkrofo emfuo ene aduane. What you say? Ehye enkrofo emfuo ne aduane de we no de busa Nigeria fo ne say ejana dere wo Nigeria no ehye wo afuo ana ehye enkrofo abrabo. Nti ahokyere we no eye ahokyere gya ebe hyewa nkasa wo abo say yes wankasa ejana hyew we de indeed ena ye komu sa 13 months. Nti after 13 months no after 13 months no o de eba min twaso why Van Ophelia or see if somebody wants to pay tithe. What number? Wait him their family MTN number so 0540770896. Nti saana tia. Afe na aduru yenso aduru yeso. Nigeria for they have already had their judgment and they are serving it. They have already had their judgment and the Nigerians are serving it. Ghana there, August we na yesu yaji ende fie and yaji judgment. It ye be serve for 1 month. After that, he become 13 months. And the 13 months, and then I feel another realities on the ground. Ebe shasi, and then now mo be shasi di mahama atem. Me di mahama atem a chen kufuado. Me di na tempa na troubles ni amanie are escalating out of hands. Ni nyina eno nkyere se o man panyin ni nye na emom no tension and pressure na free spiritual world na eba no ano din Ghana bankra ntimi nyina no but sa na tie emom yezi nambe Mamenkyerɛ wade. I will say aborɔfo no ɔmo I will say aborɔfo no ɔmo I will say aborɔfo no ɔmo psychic instigators. Baabi te sɛ mo a mo Germany no. Germany for psychic instigators ɔmo possesses psychic ability na ɔmo hwɛ kwan mu de manipa Nigeria for the I can say Germany for was adeɛ no ɔmo nkrofo bi ɔmo wɔ bɛyie tumi ɛne nkabere ne wiedie ɛne esumu atumfuo honhom ɛtete ɔmo so a ɔmo no ɔmo de hwɛ kwan mu ɛde ma nkrofo pate ase enti ɔmo take initiatives bi okay well the maminja e ho hia enti amin kama no tu enti me bacho me chiao baby a ohwe bibia wo Accra me chiao wo Kumasi a me chiao oh baby a wo bia enti nyame aduma Reverend Adakwa Sofo o say Daddy, what about UK? What do you want to know about UK? Tell me, I'll tell you. What exactly do you want to know about UK? You just tell me. I will tell you. In Tisana here, to Ghana there, we have something very terrible on the way coming, and we have to prepare ourselves for it. Yeah. Number. So say last month I'll say last month because it be say you are disconnecting crofobibri Dabi Kwajo Apia Asante says, Papa, are we in the beginning stages of the Great Tribulation? We have not even gotten to that. We have not even gotten to the Great Tribulation. If the Great Tribulation was to to be nearer as how we think. Come on to me. What you are saying? And come to me. So where spiritual occurrences I've taken. I think I told you people a couple of years ago, say now the world is taking on a new shape and form. So probably because of that, there have been some initiations ongoing. Omugusua omoye niyoma bi makasa same way sa makasa meka de kire mo sa say niyoma bi ekoso omo pese omo ye niyoma bi e was system nim. What you say? Omo injecting something into the system, and because of that, initiatives be ekoso. Initiatives be ekoso. Initiatives be ekoso. I say, Daddy, what about to happen in Ghana? Is it same in UK? That be UK for there. UK for be serve or punishment. Oshe UK for scrolls now or London or whatever. A bit take place a year 2028. UK for be shall say I go through terrible situation from 2028. It will be somewhere around ending cry. It could be November or December and a beshase. Almost one more no a bebasa for about let's be about 4-5 years. 4-5 years. Until UK for the omunyan ho yen room ho baby a 2 mini betu na ni asibia no meka ho asem de akiro she say baby a 2 mini no atu na ni asi ene ma kiro say Canada ena Nigeria yen Ghana de say afi de awuram the Ghana de sa Inti be wuram na wuram. Was say what about US? US for the afe and o ma share US thing. Tinie spiritually afe no ma share US thing. Inti US no ma share ne dem. US ebeye anwanwade bebrebe. Ombeye nsenkyere ni bebrebe because afe na dragon no edini na hoodin ni nyina akoma eye America. Ye ka say dragon ni ye dragon no eye the Roman Empire, eye Roman Catholic Church. Tieni ade no ni nyina o Bible ni nyina o Bible no enti say mo kenkan Bible na mo behu de eba mo kenkan Bible na wo ye obi anyame honhom ben wa wo behu de eba enti we nyame kra na meka tieni a drum pempenswa afe na ya share USD because US odi akon eto form na opiraye enti afe na ya share USD enti US na o ma share ne den why na share USD they will share USD no the Roman Empire no hwan the Roman Catholic Church ne hwan pope na oteso no di enti a omu electe pope na oteso no free America no asekere no ya twero no Bible no mu say na dragon no de na hoodin eba be koma America for enti must strengthen America and to say America abaye powerful more than any country in the world. Makani dibia into America abaye powerful country than any country in the world. America abaye powerful country than any country in the world because of say omashe dragon no ashe America din makani several times. Enti omo wo enfie bia America edi beye operations what you say enti wo hwe dragon niti no how many etire na e won so. When you read the Bible, it will tell you. What you say? You were ensem bi wo ha mintimi nkam kiro. But fashion utrim say the Roman Catholic Church, you know. What you say? Rome, Italy, Rome. Oma anye mistake say omu yi Pope free America. A Bible prophecy. A Bible prophecy. A Bible prophecy. Omaka. I say omu di tumi ni ema omu share America din wie no. I say America a shaky wiase. So what's the dia? Bible no say na dragon no de na ho den ema America wia. Obe shaky wiase. I say omu wie no wa shaky wiase. Oma shaky wiase. Inti kwai oma faso a oma shaky wiase de say. Oh ha Trump say ma ye we say wa mono madwene damu tirimu no mo a Christopher ne yenka no kora nkyere mo mono madwene nyina ne say Trump de we Christoni sa na mo madwene yem ubehu asofo bi wa say Trump de nyame de ne ba say o meje America every abonsamfo nsem but enye sa na tie Trump na ono wote wono obi na control no obi na ma Trump instruction the nipa na beka no eno na odiso what you say oni option odi agora ombe kunu sisi a afri so sa na te eno nti Bible prophecy enti America shake wiase America o shake wiase America shake China America shake Russia America shake African countries o shake Ghana o shake Nigeria shake Babia countries bebre America be woso no na obe woso no ho durum pempen so a afi dragon no e be tofom se dragon ne tofom a afi no mo betwi afa ne so tie ni dragon ne tofom a afi no mo betwi afa eye America so nti fa she otrim nti sisi ade entutu mebe no omo operate wo Nigeria omo operate wo Ghana omo operate ewo Canada tisareti enti Canada de ote ho a e ma nya wadwene say wo be yi sisi a because Canada for omo spiritual operations a omo economy ni nyina no omo asem enti omo Canada le be ka kire say adwumasem e be yedin sikasem ho be yedin ewo. When you read the Bible, some of these things ain't news to you anymore. You get to know what is on the way coming. Then you prepare. And you know, into Adaroma, Sanity, and Timichiamunina, Moamu, we are singing a Michiamu. Sanity, did your baby? No, what tears here. Mechia what I say? So, indeed, moi, glass, no, because I put glass in 6. Oh, until a glass, me see per 6. And to per glass this 6. The voice is what? Oh, the sound is what? You see, these people, they don't want you to heal. Anytime you decide to give prophecies, then these people will be attacking you. Into glass, no. Offer 6 now, not glass, no. Say, glass, no, when a chill. What chill party in ye? When a chill. Unyeska. Opa hobambo. Opa se ni omakoyi. Tienye. Glass no. Opa hobambo. Adentia. Onyankopon ahinwa. Ode ahwepo na atwa ho ahia. Nti ahwepo no die ya. Enti se glass na amamu akope no. What you say? Mo abrochire. A munyan krata. Tieni mo abrochire. A munyan krata. Mo abrochire munya adwuma nye. Obi wo ha wani da so nyina asa. Mo pe loan. Mo pe loan. Tieni mo pe loan. Mo pe favor e wo bi ho. Wo so a wo pe se wo de wo hu e hye Awurade nsa. Na wo ka kire Awurade se amane ni obre ohaw kwada na ne atete na eba wiase. Uni obia nti ono Awurade ohu mobo no nkae. Tieni mo a obre eni amane atete ne kwada na no eba wiase. Kakra ya makan no omoa mo a muni aboafo wo ba bia Awurade hu mobo na wo moa wo. Sa glass na ukopay 6 no. Obepe salt enchine nko na ade beka ho. Se onipa obeti abrabo mu da jisi ya to abrabo mu nchine ede ma. Tienie. Se onipa beti abrabo mu da ajisi ya to abrabo mu nchine ede ma. Enti se unim obi. Tienie o. Unim obi. Si oye wofa, oye o maame nua, oye hwan. Enipa ne nsam obi. Opese Awurade nam so. Awurade enka na koma na omoa. Opese utu kwan. Ensusu nioma oya emfa. Aise mufie ho no. Eni daso bia ni ho. Tienie akwankyere we mifirima kuma mu na me ye de amamo. Mufie ho no eni daso bia ni ho. Enka Awurade mfa onye point of contact. Na Awurade elevate you. No pija no ma onye successful. Adie bia how bia wa abrabom. Na opese uyi free wa brabo so ne ukom na hoto. Na unya asumdwie no. Glass maku 6 ne kura. Obi wo ha oni anidaso. Tieni obi wo ha oni anidaso. Abrabo no woni anidaso eteseme. And into uhia instant miracle. Uhia nsɛnkyerɛnne. Nyankopɔn ne nsɛnkyerɛnne tumi na da so wɔ hɔ. Obi wɔ hɔ a ohu kwan nyinaa sisi. Osi Awurade mie kwan bi ma wo. Awurade me hu kwan nyinaa si. Awurade me hu kwan nyinaa si. Saa ensɛm yi a mebobɔ so nyinaa kyerɛ wo no. Ɛno na wode glass no ekodi hu dwuma. Awurade me hu kwan nyinaa si. Adwuma na meyɛ no koraa bi ntimi. Awurade me yare. Awurade me yare. Me hu na makɔ hospital. Doctors say me yare. Me jiwe Awurade di. Me jiwe tumi di. Me jiwe ni monyam. Nsɛnkyerɛnne no wanwadeɛ no me gidi. Adeɛ bi a wanyi anim. Ɛyɛ na emu ahoɔden ntimi yɛ adwuma kɛse. What you say? Adeɛ bi a wanyi ani bia no emu ahoɔden no ntimi yɛ adwuma kɛse. Enti gidi. Na ehunu sɛ nyame tumi ne na ahoɔden wɔ hɔ. Na akwankyerɛ wei no me nim deɛ Awurade aka akyerɛ me a enipa benya sika wɔ mu, enipa benya nhyira wɔ mu, yidie ne animonyam. Sɛ obi wɔ hɔ so a obi na te wɔ abrabɔ so na ɔhaw, obi wɔ hɔ a obi te wo fie hɔ wɔ haw saa, oni obi na te mantam, enipa no ahaw saa, oni obi na firi abusuam, ɔhaw too much, ɔhaw dodo. Why no say or the enurosem tata on the why no say wa bing, or how too much, me pacho mo kobo adane tieni ye careful na ade na wo ye no dwene hu mienu. If you say glass e bo ho a o sisakura enye yie tieni se glass bo ho a o sisa enye dai enye yie. So what you say? Enti ade bi a haw abrabo yi mu yare na haw amane bi na daw so obi wo ha America na wote no, Canada na wote no, Germany na wote no, eka na eku no, eka emeno obi wo so a bi a wafom Awurade why mistake afom Awurade why mistake bebree bi o pese Nyankopɔn emfa nkyɛw na Awurade hu mmɔbɔ no nkae na Awurade emie ekwan to hɔ ma wo bia oni obi su wo problem we say Awurade ka nipa na koma na ɔde kyɛw na enhyira ne yedie edi wachi wa abrabom glass ne crown no ɛno na ade kɔyɛ saa ade no glass ne crown tieni glass ne crown ɛna ade kɔyɛ saa ade no saa kwankyerɛ wei no very dangerous. Very dangerous. Intimisro. Oh yeah, you're careful. And into no ube pen chile na glass maku 6 no. You can't hear. Semu. Dear Cran, Uncle Fumu had you. Sound in ye. Sound in ye. Kofu hanipa too much. Yeah, Raddy. Dear Cran. Denim say what the orgie be many pa. Into orgie na de be many pa no. Ahun de omoye. Enyamio. Enyame. Minianum enyame enkof. The channel is being manipulated. The channel is being manipulated. There is somebody behind the whole this answer. I'm saying yes, my mama can't change any biana. I'm even fed up. I'm short of words. Huh? Dear Granny, what? Still Monte. The part of Monte, more Monte, and still Monte. 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 Ne Monte the out there, Mama by now the eye and the encoff. I do.